Hey parents, this is Mr. Bells here. I wanted to talk to you just a little bit about how things are going right now. First off, it's been really great having the kids actually in the classroom. I know it's still crazy with all the stuff that we have to do and social distancing and just seeing kids on 2 days a week. With that being said, some kids are going to start to shine because they're in here, but I'm still struggling with some other ones. So I need you to really check in with your kid. I have well over 100 students right now. Some of them are hitting exactly what they need to do. Turning in all the assignments, taking good notes in class, watching the videos that I put up on my Google Classroom, seeking extra help if they need it. That's awesome. Keep doing it. And if they're concerned about the percentage, it's going to go up the more that we're face-to-face here right now. Here's what I do have. I also have a whole bunch of students that don't do anything right now. And I need you to be able to check in with your students. So if you say, hey, son, daughter, can you show me where you're at in Synergy right now? And if you look in Synergy at their grade and there's zeros on things, that means they're literally just not doing anything. I currently have right now 96 different assignments in my class for individual students, 96 different assignments that just haven't even been submitted, which is a killer. I'm doing as much as I can to try and provide guidance, but like for instance, last week we had three online assignments for both of my classes for geometry and data analysis. And I got 20 kids that never opened up the book once, never opened up the online stuff once to be able to even try those assignments. So please check in with your kid. I know life is not easy right now. It's not calming, and you might have 3 or 4 kids and they've got all kinds of different stuff going on. And I'm doing everything I can in here to talk with them and to check in with them and make sure that they're doing it and to provide as much help as they can. I mean, on these online assignments, they can have more than one possible answer for it, so that if they get it wrong, they can try it again. But it's going to be really hard for them to be able to garner any information from this if they're not at least trying those problems. That's first. Okay, unfortunately, second, some of the students out there are doing the online homework, but there's too much, I don't want to say cheating going on with it. It's just that they're not trying the problems themselves. How do I know this? Maybe I have an assignment that I look at it and it would take me like 30 minutes, 35 minutes to be able to go through it. Well, some of them are finishing it in 7 or 8 and getting 95%. And be like, yay! It's amazing that they can do that. They can't do that. It's mentally impossible. There are too many websites out here that have all the answers to all of our online stuff. So not only are you need to check in with them on if they're doing the stuff or not, or at least trying the problems, but make sure you check in with them so that they understand it. I'm going to do as much as I can here, but I literally only get to see them 2 days a week. Next, final thing, and I don't want this to be a stressful thing. I want this to be a how do we help these kids get through the situation that we're in. Today is Wednesday. I've been here since early this morning. I'll be here later. I want to be able to help them. One kid out of over 100 texted me and said, hey, can we meet today? And we did. We met for almost like an hour and a half going through some stuff to be able to help them understand more. So please know that I'm available, but I can't be available for 42 hours out of a 24-hour day. Okay? I want to help. So how again can they be successful? 1, get here as many times as they can to these actual tests. 2, read the book in terms of the stuff that we're doing. 3, watch my videos. 4, literally try every single problem in the homework on their own. If they do all of those things, everything will go much smoother, and not only will their grades be better, but hopefully what the most important thing is that their mathematical understanding will be better. As you guys all know, these math courses build upon each other. So the stuff that we're doing now is going to carry over. And I've got to make sure that I'm preparing these kids as best I can for not just the material in this class, but the material beyond this class. So, final thing, I want them to be successful. Some of them are doing an amazing job. Some of them are just struggling in this new situation. Please meet with them, sit down with them, check in with them, and look them in the face and go, hey, you need to be honest with me. Are you doing everything that you can do? If you're not, how can I help? Okay? Thank you for listening. And parent-teacher conferences are next week. We'll hopefully zoom in for some of those things and get some answers so that we can get these kids off on a better track. Thanks. Mr. Bell's out.